What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA. Today is day 24 of December. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys check out my other 22 uploads from this month. I'm super excited to be almost done with this. Not because I want to be done, but just because I committed and I did it and I'm super excited. So thank you so much to everyone who has been rocking with me through December. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post. So today I am doing a type 4 kids transformation. You guys asked to see more kid styles, and so I have a couple to push out to you guys. This client, it was actually her birthday coming up. This video is really old. I think it's from October or maybe November. But it was my client's birthday, and so she wanted to do something different, and she was like, you know, you can do whatever you want. So today we decided to do some cute like feed-in braids into a ponytail with some beads and just a whole bunch of other stuff. So super excited to share this look with you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Whenever I do kid styles, I always like to have something hanging in the face, whether it's like the braids on the side or like two braids at the top. I just think like it's super cute on kids, you know, and then they typically usually get beads. So her outfit for her birthday was purple, so we decided to go ahead and throw some purple beads on those, and you guys will be able to see that a little bit later on. But I always like to just have something drop in their face just because it's cute, but definitely optional. Alright, so I'm going to be braiding this side of her hair upward. The other side I just went ahead and slicked down. Don't ask me why I didn't braid on both sides. I don't know why, I just didn't. But we used to call these spider braids growing up. I'm not sure what they're technically called. Maybe like fishbone braids. So I'm going to be doing that on this side all the way up going into the ponytail. The other side is just literally going to be sleeked into the ponytail. So once that's done, I did go ahead and do a feed-in braid, and I braid this just about 1 inch to ½ inch past my client's natural hair, and then I rubber band it, and I'm going to cut off any of the excess hair. For her ponytails, I am going to be gluing in her ponytails, and we use 2 packs of, I believe this was a Milky Way brand. So this is synthetic hair. For younger kids, I typically don't use human hair, and especially for a style like this that you'll probably only get about 2 weeks out of, you just kind of want to save your money. So this is synthetic hair, and I'm basically just going to glue the track around the styling strip, and yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys how I seal that off. So for these braids in the front, I did go ahead and dip these, and I'm going to be adding beads on them. Like I said, we added purple beads, which just gave it like a little bit more of a pop. And yeah, I'm super excited for you guys to see how this turned out. So just hang tight. We're almost at the finished look. So bam guys, here we are at the finished look. If you guys like this look, go ahead and drop purple hearts in the comment section for me down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more kids transformations as well, and I'll make sure that I get those out to you. She was turning, I want to say either 8 or 9. So I know she looks really young, and I already know people are going to have something to say about her ponytails, but I think it turned out really cute, and I think it's super appropriate for her. So yes, let me know if you guys like it in the comment section down below. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?